Right now we're going to do some mole calculation problems, and the one that has been assigned to me is what is the mass of one atom of copper? So first thing we're going to do is make sure we know our constant for Avogadro's number, which would be 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. And that could either be atoms or molecules. So what we're going to do first is figure out what our given is. Our given is one atom. So we can go ahead and start our dimensional analysis by writing one atom. And to convert from atoms to moles, we can go ahead and start dimensional analysis by writing Avogadro's number for atoms, which would equal 1 mole of Cu. Next thing we're going to do is just make a little more space so we can continue our problem. One atom per 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms for 1 mole. And this 1 mole here can be for a mole of oxygen, a mole of carbon, a mole of anything. But in our case, we're going to be using it for copper. So now we can go ahead and from here we go from moles of copper, and we want to figure out mass. So from moles to mass, we are obviously going to use grams, and our molar mass of carbon would be 63.54 grams of copper. And we can also write 1 mole of copper is that. So we can cancel off atoms, and then we can cross off moles. Now we're in grams of copper. And after that, we just plug it into our calculator and we would get 1.055 times 10 to the negative 25 milligrams. I'm sorry, this would be in grams since we have grams of copper here. And if we did want to convert it to milligrams, we would just multiply it by 10 to the third, since 10 to the third milligrams is 1 gram. So as you can see, our final answer, which we could calculate in grams or milligrams, but in our case we'll just do grams, would be 1.055 times 10 to the negative 25 grams per 1 atom of copper.